Okay, so it is not that easy. Okay, first nail done. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to try this gel nail strip I bought in Daiso. It's 1,001 and it's around less than $1 or 43 pesos. So I'm going to try this one since we are going to have a yacht dinner tonight. So let's try it. So it contains 20 nails, so you still have extra nails to choose what size do fit your nails. So it's written in Korean, but I already translated it, and it says step 1, you shall remove your nail polish if you ever have, or clean your nails before applying it. Next is to choose the size of the nail strip that fits to your nail. Then paste it or stick it on your nail. Next is use the nail file to remove the excess nails, and then if you want to stay it longer, you can put a nail polish at the end. Okay, so I'll be wearing it for tonight's event, so let's try it. Okay, so this is the nail file. I think we're gonna start with my left hand. Let's see what size do fit my nail. I think I should use the smallest one. Oh no. Okay, so it is not that easy. Okay, first nail done. I think removing the strip is the hard one. Okay, so mhm. I think I'm gonna use this third one. There's a space. Last one. I think it's the biggest. Yeah. So I will try on my right hand, but I will not show it anymore because I think it will be hard. Okay, so we're done. It's not perfectly pleased, but I guess it's good if you look it further. I'm done with my nails. Yeah, the color is cute. And here, the other one. So comment. Yeah, it's affordable if you want to do it DIY on your own, and you can, the colors available are cute and it's very cheap, I think. Yeah, and you can just remove it whenever you want. I think I will gonna be removing this after this day because I'm not used on wearing nail polish. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you want to buy this gel nail strip, it's available in Daiso. And please don't forget to like this video, guys, and hope you will watch more of my videos. And please do subscribe and click the notification bell button.